we have created the FinOps Weekly Hub. It is available at hub.finopsweekly.com, where you can find all the FinOps solutions, service providers, tools, and companies that conform the FinOps ecosystem. So we have several sections in the website, the feature companies, then we have divided by type, so the FinOps tools, the service providers are the different CSPs. Then we go by provider, so by each of the CSPs that we have available, AliCloud, AWS, Azure, GCP, Datadog, etc. Then, of course, by FinOps capability, so we have the allocation, anomaly management, ITAM, policy and risk, usage optimization, all the capabilities we have seen in FinOps, and of course, by specialty about automation, containers, concerning, and so on. So when you're here on the website, you can click the different categories and you will get the information. So let's say we want to find a solution for allocation. So we go click here and search all the companies that we have. We can even select the specialty. So let's say that we want allocation for containers and in AWS. So we will have only 12 companies. So there are not that much, which is interesting for FinOps, and you can here go and expect. Of course, you can filter the CSP provider, but you can say, for example, Cloud Zero or FinOps. So if we click on each of one, you can see the company profile. So here's where all the information that we have collected is shown. So you can have a brief about the company, where it's located, the type of tool, then content that we have done with them. So you can showcase the company, such as a webinar or an interview with a leader or a talk that we had in our summit. So then if we go here, we can see the pricing model that they use, as well as where are they located, the providers that they use, the capabilities that they have, the specialties, and then websites, their website and their LinkedIn profile. So this is basically the general information that you will get from the website. And then, of course, you can get alternatives. So, for example, if you want to deepen your explore and you want to evaluate multiple solutions, you can click here. So, for example, if we click directly here on FinOut, you can see their information, same thing, all related here. And then we go and check their content that they do with us, when it was founded, the pricing model, their headquarters, and then more information about the capabilities, the specialties, and alternatives. So basically here you have much more information than usual, because especially you can see more deep dive videos on it. You can have tool reviews, interviews, podcasts, webinars that they do, and that provides you a more interesting information. And then if you are interested in reaching them out, basically you will fill the form and get the result. So for example, if I want to reach out to the FinOps team, and then let's put this, and then I am interested, and I want to send a request, they will get an email that a request has been filled for them, for someone interested with your details, and you will get more information about it. With this, and we can go back, and exactly the same, we can go to another filter and repeat the process. You can see here tools. You can see here service providers, if you want to a consultancy company to help you in your implementations. And then, of course, if you are a vendor, you can submit your own company, providing the details, we'll review it and submit it for that. So if you want to know how to get the right FinOps tool, please check the link in the description below, hub.finopsweekly.com, and get the right FinOps solution for your business. If you would like to see how we do tool reviews and how you can see an example of a FinOps tool review, we have this video about True Positive where we review the full tool as a customer. So if you would like to see the result, please check the video.